I'm Ronia, and these are my little brothers Righteous and Rain. Are you ready to learn our 1 to 10 with fruits? Let's go! Hi Righteous, hi Rain, let's learn about the number 1. Okay, what's that? An apple, yay! That's right, 1 shiny red apple, 1 apple. We did it, yay!
Hi kids, let's count to 2. 2 bananas. 1, 2. Yes, how many are there? 2 bananas. I'll put them here. Great job, 2 bananas.
Hi boys, let's count 3 oranges. 1 for your left hand, Righteous, and 1 for your right hand. My turn, I'm ready. And 1 for Rain, that's 3. 3 oranges, yay! Let's count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strawberries. Perfect.
Let's roll the watermelon.
Okay, push together. Let's count all the watermelons, see? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 5 watermelons. Let's count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blueberries. 6 is the number. Let's count these grapes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
Let's count the pineapples. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 pineapples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right, 9 lemons. Let's count to 10 with berries.
Okay, 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
That's right, 10 berries.
Yay, we did it!
Great job, everyone. You learned your 1 to 10 with fruits today. High 5. Don't forget to click the red button to subscribe for more fun. See you next time. Bye.